I've taken one chicken breast here, which I'm pounding like so. This helps for even and faster cooking, and this also helps to tenderize the meat. I've taken few parsley, chop this as fine as possible. If you cannot lay your hands on parsley, you may substitute this with coriander leaves. I've taken few fresh rosemary. A few goes a long way. This has intense fragrance, so do not overdo with rosemary. Let's prepare the batter now. I have taken one egg, to which I will be adding parsley and rosemary, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt, some grated cheese. Here I have taken processed cheese. If you can lay your hands on Parmesan cheese, that would be the best fit. Beat this really well. You may also add oregano. This adds to the taste. In a pan, I have added 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Simultaneously, we'll marinate the chicken. Coat the chicken with maida or plain flour. Coat this really well. And then we'll dip in the egg batter. Coat the chicken nicely with the egg batter. Once the butter melts, we'll add the chicken and we'll fry the chicken on both sides for 4 to 5 minutes on low to medium flame. The cooking pan that I'm using fastens the cooking process, so the exact cooking time depends upon the kind of vessel that you're using. For me, 4 to 5 minutes on each side works perfectly fine. The chicken is well cooked on both the sides. We'll keep this aside. Now in the same oil, add half cup of white wine. Please switch off the flame while cooking the wine if you're not used to. If you do not have wine, you can use half cup of diluted apple cider vinegar in equal proportions. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter melts, I've added 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Saute this for a minute or so. Thereafter, add the chopped parsley and rosemary. Saute this for a few seconds. Now I'm adding 1 cup of chicken stock. If you do not have chicken stock, even 1 cup of plain water works. Now cook the sauce till it reduces to half, like so. Now to this I will be adding 1/4 of maida or all-purpose flour, so this thickens more. Cook for a minute or so, then add the fried chicken. Now cook the chicken on 30 seconds each side so that the chicken absorbs all the flavorful sauce. So our chicken farce is ready to be served. You can enjoy this with steamed rice or quinoa, or you can also team it up with different breads. This is a super quick and delicious recipe. Do try this. Hope you have liked the recipe. Request you to please subscribe to my channel so you get notified on my further videos. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.